Now you are welcome in the class of physical education for class 12 unit 7. In this topic we will see effects of exercise on cardiorespiratory system part 2. In that part 2 we will try to understand regarding the blood pressure during exercise. So through that graph also we are try to understand that the blood pressure during exercise. So at first we should know also during the rest position the heart perform normal functioning like 72 beats per minute, and during the strenuous or intensive exercises the heart required more energy to provide in the various or different parts of the body where is the need or required the more energy. So on that time, or we can say during the intensive exercises the heart perform a different function, means it required more energy, so it is required the more beats or more heart pumps. Through that the blood can reach in the various parts of the body through the artery or veins. So during the strenuous or intensive exercises the heartbeat can raise up to the 20 beats per minute. So on that time when the intensive exercises has performed by the body, on that time the blood pressure has created on the walls of heart. So on that time the two pressures has created on the walls of the heart, just like we can say systolic and diastolic. Systolic means when the heart muscles has come in a contraction position, and on that time the heart we can say the heart provide the energy in the form of blood to the various part of the body where there is a required the more energy to complete the strenuous or intensive exercise. So on that time the systolic pressure has created in the heart, and through that graph also we are trying to understand that this is the blood pressure, or we can say the pressure of blood has created on the walls of heart. It has just in show 80, hundreds, 120, 100, 140, 160 and up to the 180. It is the blood pressure created on the heart walls maximum in Hg. And there is also the time in minutes during dynamic exercise or intensive exercise. On that time you are seeing in this graph the systolic pressure of the blood which has created on the heart walls, and in this the blood pressure has increased on the heart to 120 to the 160, like that. During exercise systolic pressure has increased, it raised up to the 180 Hg, and during the rest position it is the rest position, and in this position the heart has not performed much strenuous pressure on its walls, just like in 80 the line of the graph has gone straight and there is a line has increased to show the heart pressure in a systolic, and in that there is a diastolic pressure which has created in the heart. So through that graph we are able to understand very easily what is the blood pressure during the intensive or rest positions while the heart functioning. So in that we have to understand easily the BP or blood pressure has created during the work through the heart. Thank you.